Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make highlights on Instagram. Okay, let's start the video. First, open your Play Store. Now search for search icon. Search for Instagram. Search Instagram. Instagram apps is already updated. Go back. First, open your Instagram apps. Now tap on plus icon. Now tap on gallery. Now select your photo. Now tap on arrow icon. Now tap on share. Now tap on add to highlights. Now search highlights name. Now tap on add. Now tap on done. Now tap on profile icon. Now refresh. By doing this process, you can easily how to add highlights on Instagram.